They are dancing. They are dancing because the wind is blowing. Okay, I add this on my video so you can see, as you can see, the greenery is beautiful. They are blooming. See, look at this, same like a screen. Yeah, same like a screen, TV screen. See, this is my camera, Canon 700D. See, this is a professional camera. Before, I have a channel for natures, but it's hard to get every day. It's hard to get nature every day. You're going out every day. That's why I have to change my content. I changed my content to cooking idea. So I have two channel, natures and buildings, like that I have. So see you. So this is it. If you are not subscribed yet to my channel, please subscribe. Hit the bell for my notification and give like, share, and give me a message down below or leave a message below. See you on premiere. Bye-bye. Subscribe, share, like, and comment below. See you on premiere. Bye-bye. Hello everyone. I have to cook seafoods. This is crab meat. This is mussel. This is clams. Last but not the least, shrimp. All of this is seafoods. We have to do it. This. So this is the grated garlic. Okay, the grated ginger. Okay, the onion. And then the grated onion. Then cherry tomato. We have to half only, make it half. Yes, that's it. Butter. Put a bit ham. Ginger. And then the garlic. Then the grated onion. The oil is gone. The butter is gone. And then the ham is in. Ham first before the tomato because it's frozen. I put the tomato, the cherry tomato. Okay. Cherry tomato. put the shrimp paste and tamarind shrimp with tamarind with shrimp. So mix it. Add herbal, cloves powder, we put oregano, put fish sauce, add a bit water, a bit only, add sesame oil. Then now we have to try to taste it, if it's okay, the taste, and then continuously cooking the condiments. Enough. We have to put the meat, crab meat, the shrimp, and then the mussel. Ooh, lovely. Seafoods. Lovely seafoods. I put a bit water to cook the mussel, but it's cooked already, but I want to make it clear if it's cooked on really cooked. See, the mussel is big. The large of mussel is here from the sea. So let me see how it looks. Oh, delicious. Delicious. Delicious seafoods. Okay, there is one more. And then now we put the clams. Okay. This is the finish with the finished product. The finished product. It's done. Look at that. See? Ooh, lovely. Ooh. Super cheesy. Super super cheesy. Okay, I make plating now because the taste is good, really good. Okay, let me try again. Let me try again. This is the moment of truth, the taste. This is the moment of truth to taste it. Okay. Yummy, 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 yummy. Oh, this is it. Yes, this is my top view. Okay, this is my seafoods recipe. Let's eat. This is the crab meat. Really delicious. And this is the clam. Look at the cheese. I love it. See? This is the mussel. Super yummy. Sorry to my husband. He is not eating seafoods. He didn't like our seafoods. Look at this big mussel. See the big mussel. There is two big mussel. I love it. I love seafoods, really. That's it.